Well guys, it seems like a Bhad Bhabie is having a baby. Now she was recently spotted by the Hollywood Reporter and you can see that she was hiding her belly, so I'm guessing sis just decided to reveal that she is pregnant. So these are the photos that she posted on her Instagram with a no caption, just revealing that she is pregnant by her boyfriend. Now I'm not exactly sure who her boyfriend is, but I know they got each other's names tattooed on each other. And Bhad Bhabie says she just been stacking her bread and minding her business. I haven't seen her on social media doing anything wild like she used to. Of course, people share their opinion. One person says she been out the way and quiet, so have a safe pregnancy. Someone else said hope for a safe pregnancy. I actually think she's calmed down / grown up a lot since being a teen. And this user said, I'm proud of her for making sure this didn't happen sooner. She lost her way at such a young age and she made something of herself instead of allowing herself to stay lost. Congratulations, all the blessings. This Instagram user jokingly said, I should have went on Dr. Phil and acted a fool so it could have changed my life. Well, congratulations to Bhad Bhabie and her pregnancy, and I hope she has a safe pregnancy and a safe delivery. Now, you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. Moving on to the next topic. So, Keke Palmer decided to not cancel but postpone the court date for her restraining order against her ex-boyfriend, Darius Jackson. So according to People, it says, in November, the Nope actress 30 was granted her request for a temporary DV restraining order and temporary sole custody of their 9-month-old son, Leo, I don't know how to say his last name. A hearing had been set for Tuesday, December 5th, and Darius, 29, was prohibited from all contact with them by being required to stay more than 100 yards away from Palmer and their son. According to a court filing from this week, the ex is requested to have the court date rescheduled in order to allow the parties time to attend mediation. The parties request that the mediation and petitioner's DVRO be continued to a mutually agreeable date. They originally had court-ordered mediation set for November 29th. Palmer and Jackson also agreed that the orders outlined in the temporary restraining order shall remain in full force and effect until the rescheduled hearing, according to the documents obtained by People. So a lot of people on social media is not liking this at all. Now, Keke Palmer even did a podcast with Dr. Drew, if I'm not mistaken, and they talked about the A word.
So excited because this gets me into what I wanted to also talk to you about, which is you talk about a right? It comes from many different things. But I think this is the problem when people find themselves in dynamics is what you just said. I have compassion. I know where this is coming from. You know, you're not a terrible person. You're just dealing with this thing that makes you respond this way. But it's interesting because, quote unquote, the action of is seen the same way as narcissism, and it's also not really seen as a mental health issue, right? It's kind of like people don't deem a person as somebody that's struggling with mental health issues, and yet are they? Because to hurt somebody and to go so far, something got to be wrong in your mind, right?
1,000%. That's absolutely true. And it can be a lot of different things that set that up, right? It can be addiction. It could be, with your own trauma.
One Instagram user commented and said, now Keke, what the F we mediating? Only thing y'all should be talking about is winning where he can pick his kid up at. Y'all have no words other than Leotis, Leo, baby Otis, and OO. What the hell kind of white issue got going on, girly? And this user chimed in by saying, I'm actually concerned for her because he will likely use this against her down the line. And another user added, there's really nothing to mediate, joint custody of the kid and she pays child support. And the last two comments said, a lot of y'all are a little confused. It's mediation to come to agreement outside, not couples therapy. And this user added, mediation means they come to an agreement about custody without court appearances, and privacy doesn't mean they're getting back together. And that's exactly what it means, but a lot of people feel like she's showing him grace. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on this whole situation down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.